Imagination Tech. And so how have you all been doing? It's been a while. It's been a very busy past 3 weeks in the office. So I've been in our office for like almost every day because we had some visitors coming over from Nottingham, basically from Nottingham, from Switzerland. So there's a lot of things that I had to do, and I couldn't work from home. And as a result, I couldn't edit some of my videos or do a little bit more flying. But I was able to do some flying a couple of days ago. I haven't posted it yet, I haven't edited it yet. But yeah, I was trying out some proximity flying, which is basically flying your 5-inch drone in a very confined space, or a space with lots of trees. So it's a very different discipline because you have to fly. You have to really limit your throttle because you can't just fly up and or else you'll hit the trees. So it has to be a very controlled flight where you just fly around the trees, around the branches. So, and also been flying a lot with my tiny whoop lately. So gotta post probably the next video I make probably about that. Just some flight videos about flying the tiny whoops in Atrium, flying the tiny whoop in our park, and stuff like that. But yeah, it's the downside recently is we not able to fly anymore at the open field where I used to fly because it's a private area and the guards don't like me coming over there to fly my quad. But I guess it just means that I have to travel a little bit more just to find good flying spots. And yeah, so today is just a day of relaxation. It was our 26th month anniversary yesterday, yeah, and it's Carla's birthday tomorrow, so we're out here just relaxing, just celebrating. I wasn't able to fly share here because it's a little bit tight and there's a lot of people, so I didn't want to risk hitting someone or crashing into the water or crashing into the trees. So we did fly the Mavic a little bit, but yeah, that's about it. So here we are at Skindive 101. It is a try-and experience offered by Experience Philippines in partnership with SkinDivePH. So yesterday we learned about how to freedive, how to skindive or freedive, which is basically going down into the water without any oxygen tanks and with just some fins, and basically it's just yourself and some fins and the water. So we learned how to do duck dive, we learned how to hold our breath, how to relax in the water. So right now, at least, Carl was never confident in open water, but now I think you are, right. And she was able to snorkel and free dive in open water in the ocean. So it's a really great place. So if you are interested in learning about free diving, I'll post some links down below for you to check out. All right. So yeah, for yesterday and today, we're just going to be doing some more free diving. We're going to be continue practicing the duck dive, stuff like that. And then tomorrow, let's see, we'll be staying in Batangas tonight or somewhere in the south tonight. So tomorrow we're going to go back to Manila. So it's a 3-day weekend for us, just relaxing. Right? So there might not be any flights on this trip, or we'll see about later and tomorrow if we can bring out our quad. But for now, it's just us relaxing and taking some days off from our regular routine. All right. So I do hope you just continue following our channel, and as always, keep building and keep flying.